Olokodo, Tibetan Yanko Bodo. I get the money. What to get the body? I can say the mechila, enije no boku. And when you're phone, you the flex no bopu one. Inti forget to be an a girl, yes, same. I didn't yet do. Hen and pim. I must see many ma. Charlie me tame. I how for. My papa, my dame. See the way they shout, see the go gaga. I go show you money, go chop dollar. Forget to X on put the baller. Call Jama Hummy. I be Aya, Nessie, young cost like that. I'm RamzyB. I'm from Tadi, Western region. Music is the food for the soul. So anytime I listen to Sarkodia, I feel like, no, I can do this. Why don't I, Charlie, join? That's why I'm doing music, and I have passion in it, trust me. That's why I'm doing it. Normally, when I'm writing my songs, I just watch what is going on right now, what people are suffering, what people want to do in life, what people are lacking. Then I will take it and do music with it. Yeah, what is going on in life, and then I will take it and do music with it. I've been in the music like 14 years, and so far so good. I think the BBI and Kakra definitely I will GD there. Ebodru baby, definitely you'll be there. Into good America, and now me with the Ghana Woluhum Kakra. Me back cry Moko VGM. A whole lot of people, big men, our musicians in the womb our frame, and I was shocked. Mundo Cheda Damley and Uncle where then Woluhum. I'm very happy, and I know I'm there. I'm already there. Anyone who I'll get, I get opportunity, I'll record with him. Yeah, I don't have specific people I want to record with them. No. I'm a businessman. I sell Indomie. I wasn't having anybody supporting me, so I thought doing music, I will get something and push myself. That's why, I started doing business, selling Indomie, just to get money and push myself. I'm RamzyB. I have a new song with Kevin Boy and RamzyB. The title is What's Up, prompted by Body Beats.
It's Body Beats, the drum king.
RamzyB, Africa Star War. Big out to Kevin Boy, RamzyB. It's like that. Body, I see you. Let's promote. Oh my baby girl, say now you be my one and only girl. Go do that instead of make you say baby girl, say now you be my one and only girl. I beg you follow me, go home. Make you go do that instead of make you say, tell it that what's up, 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 Messy all over, Tibetan Yanko Bodo. I get the money, what to get the body? I can say the Mejira and Nija no bokum. And when you're phoning, the flex no bopu one. If you forget to be on a girl, you same. I didn't yet do. Hen and pim. I must see many man. Charlie me tame. I have wow for my papa, my dame. See the way they shout, they go, my God. I go show you money, you go chop dollar. Forget to X on the put the baller. Call Jama Hummy. I be Aya, Nessie. Young cock, tell it that what's up. 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 Tell it. Oh my baby girl, say now you be my one and only, yo. I beg you follow me, go home. Make you go do that thing, so you make you say oh my baby girl, oh my baby girl, I won't give you all my heart, oh baby say oh yeah, I love you, me and you go be one, oh my baby, tell it that what's up, tell it that what's up, Dance it out, what's up? Dance it, dance it out, what's up? Dance it out, what's up? Dance it out, what's up? Dance it, oh my baby, baby, baby girl, you know. Say now you be my one and only, yo. I beg you, follow me, go home. Beg you, go do that and stop me remix it. Big up to Slicky. Let's promote Nana Bessa. Body Beats. Madam Roberta, I see you. DJ Varosky. All the DJs in Western region. And all the presenters. I love you. I'm RamzyB. Agnes, I see you. One love. It's like this.